So good morning students. Today in this session I am going to explain about equations of uniform motion, uniform acceleration. Equation of uniform acceleration. So children, already I told you what is uniform motion. Uniform motion means a body is said to be uniform motion if it travels equal distances in equal time of interval. Is called uniform motion. And acceleration means what children? The rate of change in velocity is called acceleration. The units of acceleration in a system is meter per second square. So let us how we can form equations by taking all these physical quantities. First of all, what are equations of motions? Children, equation of motion nothing but when symbols and formulas of some physical quantities such as acceleration, displacement, distance, initial velocity, final velocity, if all these physical quantities we can form in the equation, is called as equations of motions. Okay, so let us see, there are three equations of motions. They are V equal to U plus AT and S equal to UT plus of AT square, and third one V square minus V square equal to 2AS. So these are three equations of motions we are going to derive today. Just let us understand the concepts. First of all, children, let us see the first equation of motion, that is V equal to U plus AT. So consider the motion of object. Consider a motion of object along a straight line with constant acceleration. So acceleration nothing but here rate of change in velocity is called as acceleration. So acceleration is equal to change in velocity by time taken. So roughly I am writing children acceleration equal to change in velocity by time taken. That is delta V by delta T. Okay, so is equal to constant. So delta denotes changes children here. Delta V by delta T is equal to constant. That is called uniform acceleration. But always it is constant. So A equal to delta V by delta T is equal to constant, and delta denotes changes in that. So now let us see, before to derive the equation V equal to U plus AT, let small u be the velocity at the time of t equal to 0. Small u be the initial velocity at the time of t equal to 0, and capital V be the velocity at the time of t, and let S be the displacement covered by the body during time t. As shown the figure, for example, children here, roughly we draw the figure, for example. See here, children here. See, one object is here, just nothing but here, it is u, it is v, and t equal to seconds, or t equal to 0 seconds. So this is nothing but, yes, displacement. So let us from the definition of uniform acceleration. So acceleration A equal to, children, acceleration A equal to V minus U by T. V minus U by T, why? Because rate of change in velocity. So acceleration A equal to V minus U by T. Then nothing but change in velocity. Okay. Now cross multiplication here, for example, cross multiplication. Okay. So if you take cross multiplication, AT equal to V minus U. Now if you take right side, left side towards left side towards right side. Now V minus U equal to AT. And finally V equal to U plus AT. This is first equation. V is equal to U plus AT. Now this is first equation, V equal to U plus AT. And next, children, second equation of motion. Now since the acceleration of the body is constant, you know very well. Since the acceleration of the body is constant, therefore average velocity that is equal to V plus U by 2. Average velocity V plus U by 2. Okay, but we know that average velocity equal to average AB equal to displacement by time taken. taken. Now what is average velocity here? V plus u by 2 equal to s by t. S by t. So we know that, children, we know that from equation 1 v equal to u plus ut. From equation 1 v equal to u plus ut, and substitute this equation, this v value, substitute v value in equation 2. This is equation 2. Now children, you know very well. So now therefore u plus at plus u by 2 is equal to s by t, children, because substituting v value in place of v here. So substitute here u plus at plus u by 2 is equal to s by 2. Now 2u plus at by 2 equal to s by t, children. By 2 equal to s by 2. Understand here? Observe here. Now from this 2u by 2 plus at by 2 equal to s by t, children. Now children, here 2ut by 2 equal to at square plus at square by 2 equal to s. Understand, children? Okay. Now t square, now 2 to cancel. Now you can write here s equal to ut plus half at square. So this is the equation of 2, second equation. S equal to ut plus half at square. Ut plus half at square is the equation 2. Okay. S equal to ut plus half at square equation 2. Understand? Now third equation. What is third equation? You know very well. Third equation, you know very well, children, here. Okay, from the equation v is equal to u plus at we get from equation u plus at we get u plus at we get, you know, t equal to v minus u, by a. Okay, and substitute the value of t in equation 2. Substitute the value of t. Substitute the value of t in equation 2. So when you substitute the value of equation 2, then what will get, children? You know what you get? v plus u by 2 into, okay, v minus u by a equal to what? Yes, equal to yes. You know very well, children, here very simple equation here. A plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b equal to what, children? A square minus b square. A square minus b square. Okay, therefore we can write directly from these two, b square minus u square equal to 2as. 2as. So this is the third equation of motion. V square minus u square is equal to 2as. So from all these things, you know, we got three equations of motions. They are nothing but first one is v equal to u plus at. Second one is s equal to ut plus of at square, and third one is v square minus u square equal to 2as. So these are the three equations of motions we have proved. Okay, v equal to u plus at, s equal to ut plus half at square, and v square minus u square equal to 2as. Okay, so based on this equation of motions, I'll explain you problems in the next class, children. I hope you understand. Thank you.